Ever found yourself in a tight spot, a few days or even a week before payday, wishing you could just access a portion of your earned wages? It's a common scenario, and that's precisely where apps like BeforePay step in. BeforePay, an Australian-based service, allows users to access a portion of their salary early, for a fixed fee, without the complexities of traditional loans. But what if you're not in Australia, or you're simply looking for alternatives that offer similar flexibility and a quick financial bridge to your next payday? Well, you're in luck. The landscape of early wage access and instant cash advance apps is growing, with many players offering solutions for those times when your bank account needs a little nudge. So, if you're thinking, are there any apps like BeforePay? The short answer is a resounding yes. These apps, often referred to as earned wage access (EWA) platforms or cash advance apps, are designed to give you access to money you've already earned but haven't yet received from your employer. They function by connecting to your bank account and verifying your income and pay cycle, allowing them to advance you a portion of your upcoming paycheck. The goal is to help you cover unexpected expenses, avoid overdraft fees, or simply manage your cash flow more effectively without resorting to high-interest payday loans. One of the most prominent names in this space, offering a similar service to BeforePay, is Earn-In. Earn-In allows you to cash out a portion of your earned wages before payday, typically up to $100 per day or $750 per pay period. They operate on a tip-based model, meaning you're encouraged to leave an optional tip for the service, and they also offer optional express funding fees for instant transfers. Like BeforePay, Earn-In focuses on providing quick access to funds without traditional interest charges, aiming to be a more flexible option than conventional borrowing. Another popular alternative is Dave. Dave positions itself as a banking app that offers a range of features, including cash advances. You can get an extra cash advance of up to $500, which is repaid from your next paycheck. Dave charges a small monthly subscription fee, and while tipping is optional for advances, they don't have mandatory fees per advance like BeforePay's fixed transaction fee. Dave also includes budgeting tools and can help with overdraft protection, making it a more comprehensive financial management app. Then there's Bridget, which offers cash advances of up to $250. Bridget provides a free basic membership that includes budgeting tools and alerts for potential overdrafts. For access to instant cash advances and other premium features, a monthly subscription is required. Bridget stands out for its automated advance feature, where it can automatically send you money if it predicts you're about to overdraw your account, offering a proactive approach to financial stability. Vero is another strong contender. Vero is a full-fledged online bank that also offers cash advances. If you have a Vero bank account with direct deposits, you can access advances ranging from $20 to $500. Vero has a transparent fee schedule, with fees varying based on the advance amount, but it's generally competitive. What's notable about Vero is its integration of banking services, allowing for a seamless financial experience. For those in Nigeria, the early wage access landscape is also evolving. While BeforePay itself might not be directly available, local solutions are emerging. Vind HQ and Money in Minutes NG are examples of platforms in Nigeria that offer quick access to loans and salary advances, aiming to bridge financial gaps for salary earners. These platforms typically require connecting your bank account to verify income and employment, similar to their international counterparts. Traditional banks like Access Bank also offer payday loans and salary advance products that provide instant digital loans to salary earners, leveraging existing banking relationships. When considering any of these apps, it's crucial to look beyond just the advance amount. Compare their fee structures, whether it's a fixed fee, a subscription, or optional tips. Understand the repayment terms and how they align with your pay cycle. Also, consider any additional features they offer, such as budgeting tools, credit building services, or overdraft protection, which can add significant value to your financial management. Ultimately, while BeforePay offers a valuable service for quickly accessing earned wages, the market is rich with alternatives. Whether you're in search of a direct competitor with similar fee structures or a more comprehensive financial app that includes early wage access, there is likely a solution that fits your needs. These apps are transforming how people manage their short-term financial needs, offering flexibility and convenience in an increasingly digital world. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.